For this trip to Sturgis, I persuaded Big Dog to rent a drone. Unfortunately, we were so busy, we never got a chance to use it. After everyone left for home, I took the drone to Main Street, where I was promptly told if the drone left the ground, I would be arrested. So I picked up the GoPro and walked around Main Street instead. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel to see the footage. On the trip home, I stopped at a scenic overlook in Wyoming. When I arrived home to Summit County, Colorado, I ran into my friend Kai, who had just picked up this wild three-wheeled machine. He tossed me the keys and told me to take it for the day. Equipped with Big Dog's drone and living in one of the most beautiful places in America, I decided to cruise around the lake with the drone before I shipped it back to Big Dog. Make sure to subscribe to the Big Dog Motorcycles YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to keep up with all of our cool videos and adventures.